Welcome to today's video on collagen-packed foods that can ease joint pain and swelling before morning stiffness strikes again. You swing your legs out of bed, and that all-too-familiar ache in your knees reminds you that things aren't the same anymore. Walking down the stairs feels harder, your ankles throb, and every step demands effort. If this sounds like your life, you're not alone. Millions of people are experiencing the same hidden problem. Here's the reality. By the age of 60, your body's collagen levels drop by nearly 75% compared to your youth, and this decline isn't only about wrinkles. It's the silent reason behind painful ankles, sore knees, and that stiffness that seems to increase every year. But there's hope. Research shows that certain foods don't just slow this decline. They actually help your body rebuild collagen. Even more surprising, one of these foods, avoided by nearly all seniors for decades, can restore joint flexibility in ways that shocked scientists. Before we dive into this list, welcome if you're new here. We share evidence-based health insights to help you live stronger and healthier. If you find value in our videos, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss new research-backed content. Also, let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Collagen and joint health. Collagen isn't just a beauty term. It's the framework holding your body together. About 60% of cartilage, the cushion that protects bones, is made of collagen. When your body can't replace it fast enough, joints start working like rusty hinges. There are 28 known types of collagen. Type 1 supports skin, bones, and tendons. Type 2 makes up 90% of cartilage. Type 3 is found in muscles and blood vessels. When these begin breaking down, smooth motion turns into pain and stiffness. This isn't just aging, it's a nutritional shortfall. Your body can't maintain what it once built without the right raw materials. So let's explore 9 powerful foods that can restore collagen and improve joint health. Food number 1, chicken skin. Most people throw it away, but chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen. The kind that declines fastest after 60. It's also packed with elastin and compounds that hold water inside tissues, keeping joints hydrated and flexible. Bake or slow roast to preserve collagen. Avoid deep frying since it damages proteins and creates harmful byproducts. You can also make stock with skin-on cuts for a collagen-rich broth. 2 to 3 ounces a few times a week can deliver up to 10 grams of collagen and help reduce stiffness. Food number 2, sardines. Sardines are special because you eat the whole fish, bones and all. That's where collagen is concentrated. Marine collagen is smaller in size than land animal collagen, so it's absorbed faster and can provide 5 to 7 grams of collagen, plus type 3 collagen important for circulation. Always eat the skin and bones and choose sardines in olive oil for stability. Regular consumption supports mobility and reduces nighttime leg cramps. Food number 3, gelatin. Unflavored gelatin is basically pre-digested collagen ready for your body to use. Studies show it strengthens ligaments, tendons, and cartilage when combined with exercise. Gelatin is almost pure protein and a rich source of glycine, an amino acid modern diets often lack. In clinical trials, people with arthritis when taking gelatin reported less pain and stiffness after just 2 months. Dissolve 1 tablespoon daily in warm water, tea, or coffee to get a steady supply of collagen-building amino acids. Food number 4, egg yolks. Long misunderstood, egg yolks are packed with collagen-supporting nutrients like glycine, proline, vitamin A, zinc, and copper. Eggshell membranes also contain compounds that strengthen joints. Studies show just 500 milligrams of eggshell membrane daily reduced pain within a week. Lightly cook your eggs and pair with vitamin C-rich veggies to boost collagen synthesis. Aim for 2 whole eggs most days. Food number 5, fish with skin and bones. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and herring are excellent collagen sources if you eat the skin. Salmon skin alone delivers 6 to 8 grams of collagen per serving plus omega-3 fats, which fight inflammation and protect joints. Cook skin-on portions by roasting or pan-searing for maximum benefit and flavor. Food number 6, pork skin. Traditional diets prized skin for its collagen content. Pork skin contains type 1 collagen in high concentration, providing about 7 grams per ounce. Choose baked or slow-roasted versions to avoid harmful compounds from frying 1 to 2 ounces. Once or twice per week can provide meaningful support for joint repair. Food number 7, bone marrow. This nutrient-rich tissue inside bones contains collagen, hyaluronic acid, and compounds that hydrate joints. Bone marrow also provides stem cell activating compounds that aid repair at a cellular level. Roast marrow bones or simmer them into broth. Bone serving can provide 3 to 4 grams of collagen, along with compounds that boost mobility and skin health. Food number 8, organ meats. Often ignored, organ meats like liver, kidney, and heart are some of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. They contain vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine nutrients essential for collagen formation. Just a few ounces weekly provide more support than muscle meat alone. Blend small amounts into ground dishes or spread liver pâté on toast for an easier introduction. Food number 9, bone broth. This ancient staple, when prepared properly, is loaded with collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin. The key is slow simmering bones for 18 to 24 hours with vinegar to extract maximum collagen. A cup of real bone broth delivers up to 12 grams of collagen. Daily use improves skin, joint function, and mobility within weeks. Moving forward, improving joint health doesn't require an overhaul, just consistent choices. Start with 3 foods from this list and add them to your weekly meals. Pair them with vitamin C and zinc-rich foods to maximize collagen synthesis, and remember, hydration is key. Some people feel results in weeks, while deeper repair takes months. Stay consistent and your future self will thank you. If this video was helpful, type yes in the comments, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. Have you tried any of these foods before? Share your experience below. Thank you for watching. Keep nourishing your body with intention and purpose. Cheers to stronger joints, smoother mobility, and a healthier tomorrow.